Hello, what's good everybody? Good morning. This is Azib speaking, your friendly Forex market analyst from Lirunex. As usual, before we start, we're going to take a look at all of the positions that we have taken for the past couple of days. I'm telling you, has been very splendid. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So for the first pair that we are holding XAU USD, so as you can see for XAU USD, to those who's selling and still holding their sell, you guys are running at around 139 pips at the current price, but in total, we had a good run for 273 pips, and whoever that is currently buying their position from our high risk zone, you guys are running for 134 pips. Another splendid one, GBP USD, as we are currently holding from Wednesday, 30th of August. We took this trade on the other week. It's been pretty good, and for the total run, we had a good run for 336 pips at the current price. Euro USD, also one of the signals that we have updated on Alex Academy. So for Euro USD, we had a good run for 413 pips in total. So for JPY pairs, Euro JPY for the first one, and Euro JPY splendid movement by Euro JPY for 273 pips from the first selling point, and for the second selling point we are currently running at 178 pips in total, but at the current price we are running for 135 pips. Let's see if we can hold it till our medium risk zone at least. Second JPY pairs, USD JPY. As you can see for USD JPY, for the first buying position, we are currently running 270 pips at the current price. And for the second buying position that we had on our high risk zone, which was given on our Telegram channel, we are currently running at 139 pips for the current price and 167 pips in total run. Another JPY pair, GBP JPY. As you can see for GBP JPY, whoever that is holding their sales from our previous selling point, you guys are currently running at 318 pips in total. But for the current price, you guys are currently running for 254 pips. Last but not least, NZD USD. For NZD USD, from our given low risk zone, for the full run we had at around 60 pips in total, but for the current price we are currently running at 43 pips in total. Love these setups, isn't it? So just would like to say congratulations to each one of you who's been following us since day one, and congratulations to all of you who's currently on a practice of swinging their positions. So without wasting time, let's take a look at the market on what will the market have for us for next week. Let's go. So for the first pair, CAD-JPY. As you can see, for CAD-JPY, what we are currently waiting for is a daily setup reversal. So if you look on the bigger time frame, we are currently on a wave 3, wave 4, and on a pursuit of completing its wave 5. But as you can see, wave 5 is quite far from the current point, so we are expecting to follow the mini waves of this particular trend. So as you can see, we are expecting for the price to complete its wave 3, somewhere in between these three reversal prices, 109 to 15, 109 to 90, 109.411. You may place your sell limit according to the suggested prices here. You may put your pending order, sell limit in this case, at these three suggested reversal price, and you may put your stop loss at the end of the structure right here. The idea is for you to look for any selling opportunity located at this zone right here, 109.140, 109.323, and for you to ride the wave of correction wave 4 up until the nearest resistance right here at 108.478 to be safe. Second pair of the day, USD JPY. For USD JPY, of course, we are looking for a continuation on its bullish trend. Okay, for today, there's a little bit changes on the zones that we always give. Normally, we'll always give for 3 zones and 2 zones, but in this case, we are giving you 4 zones. Reason being is because, as you can see, this zone right here for this particular structure, so this zone is considered as low risk as long as you put your stop loss at the end of the structure. Best stop loss evaluation level will be at 146.975. That is the best point that we could see right now. And of course, for this 3 suggested zone, this one is high risk for this particular structure, this one is medium risk for this structure, and this one is low risk for this structure. So if you go for any of these 3, all right, for the first one, you can put your stop loss at the previous structure's low. And if you go for medium risk and low risk, best advice is for you to put your stop loss at the end of the structure right here. So good luck and all the best. We'll see how it goes for USD JPY. So for the last pair, NZD USD, this is the most cleared one. So we have decided to give you all this pair. So basically for this pair, similar with the one that we spoke just now, it's just that for this pair, we only have 4 zones. One zone for this particular structure and another zone for this structure. So these zones are supported with this supported trend line, as well as for this zone, these 2 zones and this structure are supported by this fresh support trend line. So what we can expect best is for the price to continue its bullish wave up until this structure right here. So it is best advised for you to look for any buying opportunity located at these 4 zones right here, and your stop loss for this particular setup will be at the end of this structure at 0.59014. Just add a little bit of pips from the previous low. And for these 2 structures right here, it is best advised for you to put your stop loss at the end of the previous structure. And that is all for today, folks. So I hope you really paid your attention on Alex Academy Telegram channel, as we are updating everything inside the Telegram channel. So without wasting your time, please check on the description below and please follow our Telegram channel for you not to miss any single setups and any single tips and tricks posted by us, Alex Academy, for you guys. Alright, so I'll see you guys on the next week. And by the way, I have a little announcement to make. Starting from next week, our schedule will be a little bit different. On Monday, we're going to have training program for 100 Millionaire participants. Alright, so if you guys would like to learn 8 different syllabuses with 8 intensive weeks with me, it is best advised for you to join our 100 Millionaire program, and that is for Monday. For Tuesday, we're going to have our usual market breakdown on live in Zoom call around 8 to 9 p.m. coming afterwards. And on Wednesday, we're going to have live trade session. Most probably, we are planning to start our live trade soon. So please keep yourself updated inside the Telegram channel. So that is all for today, folks. Thank you so much for your time and for your attention. I'll see you guys on the next week. Assalamu alaikum.